I am from Green Revolution. We are an Indian manufacturing company. What exactly we are doing is we are doing innovative dustbins. Also, we are manufacturing 3 bucket mopping trolley mop system, which is an innovative system which is used in hospital infection control. And waste management, one of the major subjects in India right now. So we are manufacturing waste segregation bins for hospitals as well as for the public areas. So this is what, and now we are coming up with innovative dispensing systems, which is used in washrooms and other areas where you can sanitize your hand and everything. So we are also coming up with dispensing units. So this is what is about company.
Our hospital linen product is very best, and we give the best life of our linen products. And also we give the best service and quality and commitment. हाँ, हमारे पास हॉस्पिटल लिनन में सर्जन गाउन है, ओटी ड्रेस है, स्क्रब सूट है, नर्सिंग ड्रेस है, ब्रदर ड्रेस है, एग्जीक्यूटिव के लिए कोट्स है। यहाँ पर
ये नया दिख रहा है,
हाँ,
ये कौन सा कोट?
ये एग्जीक्यूटिव कोट्स है जो रिसेप्शन पे बैठते हैं, तो ये हम सप्लाई करने के लिए एग्जीक्यूटिव के लिए देते हैं।
डिज़ाइन नया
हाँ, नया डिज़ाइन है ये। ओके, आपके मेजरमेंट के पर हम सप्लाई कर देते हैं। ओके।